stop right there. This might be exactly what you're looking for. At Dyfonus, we are trying to make learning simpler, more fun, and practical. Whether it's tech tips to get the most out of your devices, health advice to feel the best, or even ways to learn math and languages faster, we have got you covered. Oh, and for the gamers out there, we explore history and development too. We are building something very big, also a course where you can learn the basics about how computers work, how to create the best beverages and understand why they taste good and why they're healthy. Just all that so we can make education fun again. School is boring. Whatever you're into, we are onto it to make it more fun. So let us know down in the comments what you want us to make a lot more simple and more interesting. So subscribe to the Dyfonus family, whether you're on the Dyfonus how-to channel, which is the tech tips channel, or another channel we possess. I actually have things behind me here just because I love counting the subscribers and knowing all the people I'm showing my content to. Hey, and we also make merch, so check out dyfonus.nl/shop. And we also have very useful tools for you. You can find them on bio.site/myfavoriteapps. If you type this, you will find very useful apps for your phone, or if you want to download the video, if you want to track your movies and all that. We love to keep you not worrying about what is really the best app. So if this tone hits well with you, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like on this video so it can be promoted to more people. This is of course the intro for this channel, and you can find way more above me in videos. I wish you good luck on your educational journey. I thank you for watching.